Now we are going to embroider the upper part of the outer feathers of the owl. First, embroider a line in the middle of the head. Embroider another line in the upper left corner. The line is towards the beak. Embroider another line and cut the area on the left in half. The line is towards the beak. In the head area, all the lines are oriented towards the beak. Once again, embroider a line and cut it in half. Then fill the smallest area. Fill another smallest area in the same way. Fill the entire left half of the head in the same way. Fill the entire right half of the head in the same way.